Good morning. Today is Thursday, July 27, 2023. And today we come back because yesterday we are out, so we don't do any video yesterday. So I want to pick up what we left on Monday and update review. So if we recall that we come up with two scenarios. The first one is bullish scenario, right? It pull back into this bullish breaker and it's continue to go up. And the second scenario, which is a bearish scenario, which is pull back and break down the, I think right here, the bearish breaker, and then it retest, it go down. I think we look at the 1 hour time frame, we can see more clearly. Let me turn into this 1 hour time frame. Yeah, here's 1 hour time frame. Let me turn off the bubble so make it easy to see the candle. So basically we identify this bearish, bullish breakers, a pull in there and go up. Exactly happened right now, you see that? And the bearish scenario, which is break through this bearish breaker and then retest them and going down. So let's remove this scenario for now. So it's no longer a bearish scenario. So now it's bullish scenario, right? And you see that this morning is it pulled back exactly at this. Either of them is, I think it's this much better. This it pulled back at this bearish breaker right there, and it continued to go up. But the yesterday is very volatile, right? Wednesday, the day that the FOMC meeting concluded, and the decision on the rate is keep the rate unchanged. There's no hike right now, so that can be a positive. That's the reason why you see the market react bullish, go up first hour, and second hour I believe it's at a pullback right here. And why pull back? It beautifully it pull back, it take out the sell side liquidity right here. Beautiful. We identify that level, 453.43 right there. So it just take out that sell side liquidity, and then it start going up. That's exactly how the liquidity run. The algorithm run like that. And you see the low 38, so 43.38, 3 and 8, so just 5 cents. Can you believe that? 5 cents, exactly 5 cents below that. Oh man. And now I take that, it's go up, and we identify is the London section right here, and the London take out the low, the high the high of yesterday, and which is basically the high of the week so far, is take out, and then there's no pullback from, it's a little bit pullback from here, and then it continues to go up. So uptrend very strong. Want to point out something real quick, right? Right here we see that the buy side liquidity taken right here. Then we're gonna process the information. We're gonna see Well, it is, and also take out the buy side from last week also. So it is gonna be a liquidity graph, right? Basically, this means that it will be just check out of liquidity. We run it's like a similar like total stop right there, and then it's gonna go down. It's gonna reverse the trend. That's the first scenario, right? Which is liquidity graph. Basically, it's gonna take out liquidity and it's reverse the trend. The second scenario is that it take out liquidity, but it, however, is a market structure shift, which is it gonna shift. Is it seek out eternal liquidity, and then it shift, which is gonna go up. Then, if that's the case, then this is just a temporary pullback, right? And this temporary pullback, we need to what? We need to okay. There are two scenarios for the pullback, right? This is the first scenario that we cover, which is pullback at the bearish, the bullish breaker and go up. Another scenario, the pullback much deeper, which in this case, it pulled back to the order block. You see the order block, all the way to this order block right there. So the pullback goes to the order block, and then boom, it's going up. So when the pullback to the order block, it creates the so-called double bottom right there. Give you the idea that is the double bottom. Yeah, that's an idea right there. Okay, let's see how it opened for today. Okay, so we observe for today that the liquidity from the last week and the last 2 days, the buy side were taken after pullback. It's taken, so it's a very bullish signal right there. And let's say we try to engage the trade today, but we're not rushed. Remember, we're not rushed. We're very patient. We take the trade when we see the opportunity. We're gonna look for opportunity. We do not fear the market when it bring us opportunity. So we are in the first 30 minutes of trading on Thursday, and we can see that it's still in the range right there. So let's see if gonna make a big move. And we also have the GDP data release, so it's better than expected. So it's a positive news right there, and let's see. So right here we see it's still in this range on a low time frame, right? Low time frame. Here, this is the range right there. What we see, this is an order block, and we see the fair value gap and retest this order block right there. It would be better for it to engage if it makes some kind of move to retest the London right here, and let you see the gap right here, the volume void, or volume imbalance right here. At least we wanted to retest them. That's we better to have for to get engaged. Right now, it just take out a buy side liquidity. Then the next move gonna be a pullback, but there's no pullback right now. So I want to see the pullback and how it react. At least it pull back down here, right? That's the 5-minute time frame. And go back to the 1-minute time frame right here. Remember, when a liquidity, high liquidity, buy side liquidity, or sell side liquidity for that matter, we're taking out, or the high or low taking out, they're onward pullback, you see, onward pullback. Whether or not that pullback turn into a reversal, then we will not have an issue. But our job is take advantage of this pattern or this move. A pullback, retracement after the high were taken, all the low were taken out. So what we see right here is we're watching the 1-minute time frame right here, right? So we see is a trend continuation. Let's see if it break out this range. It's a huge order block right here. The bullish one. Follow up, retest. Just retest the second time, retest the first time, retest the second time, and the retest the 1, 2, 3 times to see if it break this order block right here. This is 1-minute time frame. Before weekly time frame, we see the up here is the resistance level. But let's see, how about the daily time frame? Here, daily time frame. What is the high of this one? 59.44. 59.44. Put here what you see. 59.44. Yeah. So right here is the close 58, right? 58 open. The close of this 58.70. Yep. $58.70. Well, 59. $58.70. Yeah, this is a fair value gap right here. You see what the high of it? 58.76. And I mean the implied fair value gap right here. What the open of this one? 60.02. That is 02, and you give is Yeah, 76 right there. So we're able to identify the high right here, this level. That's the fair value gap low right here. So this is a key level for us right here. Let's see, it broke from this level, or it's gonna be okay. Basically, it take right here. What's the low? 58.63 for the low of this. Exactly, 58 is create equal low right here. Right, it's equal low. Amazing, equal over here. Let's see how far it goes from here. So here's the failure gap D1, which is the daily level we identified. This is a high time frame, so-called resistance level. So let's see, 58, 59, about $1, about $1. Just see if gonna. I think this candle gives you signal right there. It's close below that, then it's gonna come down. Well, I think we should go in right here. The beautiful going right here. You know why? Because of the open at 9:30 and 8:30. 9 o'clock and 9:30 right there. That's the level right there. You see right here the breaker. Yeah, we should short right here. Entry right there. Could break the structure right here. Create equal. So this level 55. All right, we have 19 minutes into 19 minutes until we reach 10:30. So by 10:30 we will know the high of the day and low of the day. For this week, what is the weekly profile? All right, let's look at 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame. This is right here. So whoever go to buy here make a mistake. I don't know why they buy it up there. But I believe that algo run up here to track people who go long here, long here, long here, long here, long here. They all get stopped out now. Yeah, at least from 5 minute time frame, we can see that right here. This is an order block right there. It's a London high, so it have to go back and retest London high. And that's what we are anticipate right there. So let's see how it's handled from here. We tried to engage today, but I believe I will wait until the PM and we're gonna what? We're gonna apply the strategy second day, Blair strategy. Basically, we want to see let me look at the so this a market structure shift, right? Are we thinking about retest this? Can it go down? So we saw it break out this range, right? Break down into the downside. So it's gonna be a what? It's gonna be a reversal, right? The pullback always happen, right? It's pullback right here. And now whether we anticipate this a just a temporary pullback and the trend will resume and continue, or this pullback gonna be a turn into a reversal. right here we can see this is an order block right here, right? And retest 1 is a 2, 1, 2, 3 times retest right there, and it come down. If we do that, then what is our risk and reward ratio right here? If we go in with this trade, right, and here's our entrance, right? Okay, and we reach 5 cents above that, so we will be, let's say 50, 59.50 right here. Here, that will be our stop loss, right? Let's retest this idea, right? 50 cents from here, and our entry is gonna be here, or at least right here. So we reached about 48 cents. And what our target? Our target gonna be, yeah, this level. So we reach 48 cents, and we're gonna reward what? Reward 80 cents. Yeah, 1 to 2 reward ratio right there. See that? So that can be a good trade right there. Understand? However, you check, this is an order block right here. Much better idea. With this order block, failure gap, oh yeah. That's our order block, failure gap, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest 4, retest 5, retest 6, or right here. And the time of entry is a perfect line up right there. See that? Yeah, we don't go for much because we know that retracement gonna be it's gonna be happen. That's the reason why we're very conservative. Go to the nearest PDR area or the nearest level in order to reach our target. We don't need much. But this is a high properly set up, but we have to get the target close enough. We don't want much because it can reverse back. It's just a temporary retracement, right? But this trade always give you you always in the money, and you always have a chance either take early profits or just get to break even and go for a bigger profits right there. So this setup is called order block, fair value gap, retest, perfect, and it's a short setup, and we see that the buy setup really with just rate or sweep or grab, right? You can call that grab. In this case, retest 6 times right there, and entry time 09:54, perfect entry time, and target is a order block It's a bullish order block on 5-minute time frame. So it's as 458 level right there, and the risk reward is gonna be 1 to 2, right, which is 40 cents for 80 cents. Basically we reach 40 cents, you get 80 cents. Đây. That is one of our trade right there. Wow. You see, if we trading, and we can see that it consolidate one leg down, it will be another leg down right there. So it will be more than just this. You see, we anticipate a 5-minute time frame is a bullish order block. So check out that one. Let's see if it close below that. But if we look at a 1-minute time frame, it makes sense that it will not stop right here. So we can exit at 125 right here. Wow, that would be a beautiful trade for us to keep going down. Yeah, this morning we identified the volume imbalance, volume ball right here. So it's gonna come down there. So we better short them when it's right here at 9:30. Short them right there. Yeah, you can short at 34. You can short them at 34 right there. Yeah, you see that here? Order block right there. Big Fibonacci gap retest. And this one go to retest that order block. Wow. We can precisely put our stop loss right there. And we enter at 34. Beautiful right there. So is that 934 is the high of the day, or what? 85. Yep. Wow, I think we reached 40 cents, and look at that, how much we go. So how much first we make of this trade. Right here is our entry. $1.59. That's it. $1.59. Alright, it's 10:30 now. So let's see how it moves. How it start from here. So basically this is going to be a high of the day. Right here on the 5-minute time frame we see. Okay, I think let's remove this for now. $9.30. Man, you see it retest this bearish breaker right here. And it's going down. You see, I think it will come down and what? And refill this level. Refill the volume imbalance right here. It's a 5-minute time frame. Let's see. Alright, I think we good for now, and this is 1 hour, first hour trading, and we talk to you later. Bye for now.